and Introduction to the Agile Extension version 2.0 of the BABOK Guide by the International Institute of Business Analysis. The Agile Extension to the BABOK Guide version 2.0 is the leading guide for describing the benefits, activities, tasks, skills, and practices required for effective business analysis with an agile mindset which has a constant focus on delivering business value. It also describes how techniques and concepts commonly used in agile approaches can be applied to business analysis practices. The Agile Extension version 2 provides practitioners, teams, and organizations a base of knowledge to enable effective agile business analysis in order to generate successful business outcomes that add real business and customer value. The Agile Extension version 2 has 7 chapters. Chapter 1 talks about the purpose and why version 2. Chapter 2 discusses the agile mindset and agile delivery. Chapter 3 explains the analysis done at multiple horizons. Chapter 4 explains the strategy horizon and the decisions regarding the organization's business goals. Chapter 5 talks about the initiative horizon and the solution options, features, priorities and lifespan. Chapter 6 discusses the delivery horizon and the specific aspect of the solution that is currently being implemented. And lastly, Chapter 7 lists some agile techniques commonly used by the agile business analysis practitioners. Chapter 1.2 What is an agile business analysis? Agile business analysis is the practice of business analysis in an agile context, with an agile mindset. Agile business analysis can provide a competitive advantage in fast-paced and complex environments and has moved beyond software development initiatives to any business domain. Organizations have adopted agile practices at all levels of planning and in many diverse business areas. A key element of the agile mindset is inspecting and adapting. Feedback at one horizon influences decisions at all the horizons, which results in changes to work at the horizons. Agile business analysis focuses on maximizing business value. This constant focus on business value produces better and more timely business outcomes. Chapter 1.2.1 About Agile Delivery. Agile delivery is a business strategy that creates value through fast feedback and short decision cycles. Agile delivery planning takes 2 primary forms, iterative and adaptive. Iterative planning prioritizes and refines the work in short cycles designed to provide focus and increase the feedback and learning gained from stakeholders. Adaptive planning or rolling wave planning involves the continuous change to long-term plans. Constant planning and analysis is used to prioritize and refine the work to be done to deliver the highest value. Chapter 2.1 What is an agile mindset? The agile mindset is based on a common core of human values that include respect, courage, collaboration, continuous learning, customer focus, and value maximization. Agile is best described as a mindset because the values and subsequent principles explain ideas and attitudes with which people approach a situation, but do not prescribe exactly what they do in those situations. Chapter 2.4 Agile Manifesto. The Agile Manifesto states that we are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others do it. Through this work we have come to value 1. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. 2. Working software over comprehensive documentation. 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. 4. Responding to change over following a plan. That is, while there is value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more. Chapter 2.5. The Business Analysis Core Concept Model. The Business Analysis Core Concept Model, or BACCM, provides a conceptual framework for business analysis that is comprised of 6 terms that have a common meaning to all business analysis practitioners. The 6 concepts of the model are: 1. Need. What are the needs we are trying to satisfy? 2. Stakeholder. Who are the stakeholders involved? 3. Value. What do stakeholders consider to be of value? 4. Context. What are the contexts that we in the solution are in? 5. Solution. What are the solutions we are creating or changing? 6. Change. What are the changes we are doing? All these interact with each other during the course of the analysis. Chapter 2.6. Principles of Agile Business Analysis. The Agile Extension to the BABOK Guide describes 7 principles for Agile Business Analysis. The principles that guide Agile Business Analysis are: 1. See the whole. Analyze the need in the context of the big picture, focusing on the business context and why a change is necessary. 2. Analyze to determine what is valuable. Continuously assess and prioritize work to be done in order to maximize the value being delivered at any point in time. 3. Get real using examples. Examples can also be used to derive acceptance criteria, help design the solution, and provide a foundation for testing the solution. 4. Understand what is doable. Understand how to deliver a solution within given constraints. 5. Stimulate collaboration and continuous improvement. Seek to continually improve the solution as well as the processes used to deliver the solution. 6. Avoid waste. Identifying which activities add value and which activities do not add value. And 7. Think as a customer. Ensuring solutions incorporate the voice of the customer through a clear understanding of the expected user experience. The principles of Agile Business Analysis can be mapped to the core concepts as listed here. Chapter 3. Analysis at Multiple Horizons. A planning horizons represents a view of the work at various levels of focus, from the strategic needs of the organization to the more detailed needs of the stakeholder. The level of detail must be appropriate to the planning time frame and the nature of the feedback loops. The 3 horizons include: 1. Strategy horizon. Rolling time frame 3 months to multiple years. This impacts the entire organization and the decision made about the products, services and initiatives. 2. Initiative horizon. 1 to 3 months. Focus on decisions that impact a particular goal, initiative or team. And 3. Delivery horizon. Short term. Focus on decision regarding the delivery of the solution. Chapter 3.3. Predictive, iterative, and adaptive planning. There are many ways in which business analysis practitioners plan. At the highest level, there are 3 most commonly used approaches to planning: predictive, iterative, and adaptive. 1. Predictive. Predictive planning involves performing detailed analysis and planning and then acting on that planning. An economic driver for predictive planning is the cost of change curve. It suggests that the later a mistake is found, the more it will cost to fix it. This in turn suggests that it is cheaper to spend more time analyzing information early on, so as to provide the fewest possible misunderstandings, gaps, and defects as possible before more work is done. 2. Adaptive. Adaptive planning is central to Agile business analysis. Organizations produce both long-term and short-term plans, but it is not planning in a linear way. Adaptive planning treats each plan as a hypothesis to be proven. Feedback and lessons learned are used to adjust the plan in real time. Newly discovered information may change the hypotheses on which the plan is based and cause a change in the plan. And lastly, 3. Iterative. Iterative planning is an approach that is frequently used when long-term planning is rendered ineffective by rapid change and great uncertainty. The next step in the plan is based on the latest learning. This suggests that each hypothesis should be tested before planning what to do next, since the hypothesis might be right, wrong, or partially right. Chapter 4. Strategy Horizon. The purpose of analysis at the strategy horizon is to inform decisions regarding the organization's business goals. Value is created by understanding and achieving the business goals. Priority of business goals are continually reassessed and emerging opportunities evaluated. Agile business analysis responds to challenges by enabling quick and effective decision-making in complex and rapidly changing context. The scope of analysis are 1. Changes to customer expectations. 2. Changes to outside environment. 3. Changes within the organization. 4. Learning from the front line. And lastly, 5. Threats and opportunities. Chapter 5. Initiative Horizon. The purpose of analysis at the initiative horizon is to inform decisions regarding solution options, features, priorities, and lifespan. Analysis performed at the initiative horizon is concerned with the decisions surrounding defining and delivering a solution that satisfies a need identified at the strategy horizon. The goal of this analysis is to deliver a solution in a way that minimizes output and maximizes outcome. The elements are 1. Size of items. 2. Identify solution options. 3. Recommending solution options. 4. Identifying solution components. 5. Prioritizing solution components. 6. Determining if need is satisfied. And lastly, 7. Ongoing assessment of the viability of the solution. Chapter 6. Delivery Horizon. The purpose of analysis at the delivery horizon is to inform decisions regarding the delivery of the solution. Analysis at the delivery horizon focuses on the specific aspect of the solution that is currently being implemented. Business analysis practitioners collaborate with team members to ensure there is a shared understanding of the need, identify and prioritize a backlog of actions that will meet the need, and establish a means of assessing outcomes. The elements are 1. Ensuring the user stories are ready for implementation. 2. Maintaining the backlog. 3. Support successful delivery. 4. Ensuring learning happens in the Agile context. 5. Maintaining focus on the product vision, customer and value. 6. Determine if need is satisfied, and lastly, 7. Ongoing assessment of the viability of the solution. Chapter 7. Techniques. The Techniques chapter provides a high-level overview of some techniques commonly used by Agile business analysis practitioners. The techniques described in the Agile Extension to the BABOK guide are intended to cover the most common and widespread techniques practiced within Agile business analysis. Business analysis practitioners apply their experience and judgment in determining which techniques are appropriate to a given context and how to apply each technique. This may include techniques that are not described in the Agile Extension to the BABOK guide. As the practice of Agile business analysis evolves, techniques will be added, changed, or removed from future iterations of the Agile Extension to the BABOK guide. As you read the Agile Extension to the BABOK guide v2.0, Note how different planning horizons view how the work is carried out by business analysis practitioners. Working with Agile delivery creates value through fast feedback, collaboration and short decision cycles. Having an Agile mindset that delivers value rapidly, constantly and produce the highest quality products. A guiding star that provides a framework, alongside with the 7 principles that is fundamental behavior for business analysis working in an Agile environment. A combination of commonly used planning approaches that suits your organization. And lastly, selecting the right technique that works well with the horizon, your team and stakeholders.